John Fedro here. I'm coming to you from inside of a mobile home, maybe. I wanted to say thank you for being a weird, wonderful subscriber to this YouTube channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, join the over 30,000 active and semi-active mobile home investors that watch this YouTube channel. Over 30,000 of us. I can't believe that. When I started on YouTube over 10 years ago, maybe 15 years ago, never thought that I would reach 30,000 subscribers. I want to make sure that I'm actually contributing to your education and making sure you don't make mistakes. Everyone that's watching this video, I want to directly contribute to putting more money into your pocket or saving you headaches, saving you from spending money, or answering a question that would have just have you spinning your wheels doing something frivolous that you don't need to do. I want to help you even more, so what I put together is a free mini course for mobile home investors. This is to understand if mobile home investing is right for you and then taking your business to the next level. But there's so many ways, let's be frank, there's so many ways to make value, to create profit for your business in real estate. Now, real estate can be challenging and difficult, but there's so many ways to create profit. There's so many niches and sub-niches and things to do in real estate that mobile homes is just one of them. It's wonderful, and there's so many things you can do with mobile homes. Buying the land, going in the parks, buying just the parks, moving the homes, putting them on your land, buying the little rectangles and just as many as you can inside the parks, or wholesaling them, never even buying them and flipping them. And there's a lot of things you can do with these mobiles, but maybe it's just a stepping stone to get you to somewhere else, in your real estate career or in your life. Or maybe this is just supplemental income to give you a few more dollars every month. But I want to make sure that that you know what you're getting involved with mobile home investing if you haven't started. And if you have started, to put you on the right foot to make sure that you're inspecting homes properly, that you're closing properly, that you're doing the right kind of deals for the present time that we're living in, and for your local location. Around the country, things are different in different states. Laws and steps and regulations. And so I want to give you a lot of that in this free mini course. You don't got to purchase anything or anything like that. It's just information that I want you to have on mobile homes so you can be a better investor. Period. Along the way, as you do need more help, as you do have more questions, reach out to me anytime. That's been on all of my videos. Please reach out to me at support@mobilehomeinvesting.net. If you have any questions, support@mobilehomeinvesting.net, and then head to mobilehomeinvesting.net to sign up for this free mini course so you can learn more about mobile home investing and even be a better mobile home investor than you are right now. I hope that made sense. I hope that this helped. If you have any questions, comment them below. In fact, do me a favor. After you sign up for this free mini course, go through, come back here, and leave a review. Let me know what you thought about in this free program to let you know more about mobile home investing and educate you some about mobile home investing. I want to make sure that I at least save you some money. I make you extra profit. That's the goal here. Thanks so much for watching. If you think this video would be helpful to someone else, if you know other mobile home investors, share this video, share the mobilehomeinvesting.net link so they can sign up as well and go through this program to educate themselves even more. Education is power, but only once it's applied. If you don't do anything with it, it's nothing. It means nothing. It gives you nothing. So really applied power. Don't just take this information, but take it, absorb it, and then implement it into your life, into your business. Thanks so much for watching. I've rambled about this long enough, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.